Okay, Queenie, you're a penny. You're worthless. Worthless isn't the right word. You meant to say I'm priceless. You priceless? Well, at least I have a brain.
Whoa, guys, calm down.
And what would you know, tennis ball? You don't even have arms. Well, at least tennis ball knows more than you. Really, Queenie? You know, I would barf with you on Dream Island. Well, I wouldn't be surprised if I did.
So let's find out who won't win Dream Island. Last episode, your little team 3 lost again. Go that way to the Cake at Steak place. So the two of you with the most votes will leave the team. The grapes will then choose which one of you will be on their team and which one will be eliminated.
So that means only one of us is safe.
Yes, that's true. And that safe person happens to be Fiery, who got 9 out of the total 61 votes. Tennis Ball and Queenie, with 22 and 30 votes respectively, you both leave the team.
What? Whoa! Whoa! If I were you, I would not slap the most awesome person in the world!
Queenie and Tennis Ball, you two got the most votes. It is up to the Squashy Grapes to decide who will stay or be eliminated.
Leafy, Icy, Blocky, please, let me stay. Don't think of me as just a fiery slapper. Think about me as someone who wants a second chance at winning Dream Island!
That is the worst speech I've ever...
But if he stays on your team, he won't do you any good. He'll just slap Fiery all day long.
That's a good point. Wait, no! You don't know how badly I want to stay!
Well, I think our team will have to pick
Tennis Ball.
What? Queenie, it looks like it's the end for you.
Yay, Tennis Ball! You're on our team!
Actually, this episode, we're breaking up the teams. You are the final 12. As a result, you're all getting a reward. BFDI DDSs. This super fun portable handheld video game console will let you play the most exciting games on 12 screens. A dodeca screen. Plus, it's foldable. So yeah, you can play with those later. Right now, you have to climb these ladders. That is the 12th contest. Go.
How do I do this?
Come on, people. Let's go. Ha ha, water balloons.
Yes, number 1! Number 2! Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah! Way to go, Pencil! Good job, Bubble! Oh, now what do we do?
Okay, so now that we're all here, except for that clumsy tennis ball, let's see the results.
Why are we standing on gray squares?
I'll get to that later. So anyway, I'm giving you all 30 bonus points.
But this game doesn't even have points!
Well, now it does. Your score carries over throughout future episodes.
Oh, great! Boring!
Oh, and from now on, no more win tokens.
So what happened to the 2 win tokens that I already have?
They'll be traded for 15 points each. As another bonus, you get points depending on how well you did in the last contest. Also, for every vote you got in any of the previous episodes, that's -1 point.
That's weird. Do I taste peanut butter? Okay, maybe not.
Anyway, Pencil, as you may know, you're the only person who still hasn't ever gotten a vote.
Yeah!
Bubble, however, you got 1 vote.
Oh
Ice Cube got 2 votes in episode 6 and 9. Leafy and Eraser, you each have gotten 3 votes.
no!
Match and Pen, you each have gotten 4 votes.
OMG, seriously?
Well, I'm still in first!
Blackie, you've gotten 10 elimination votes. And Fiery, you got a total of 14 votes.
Hey, Fiery!
Rocky's received 15 votes. Snowball, you've been voted for 18 times, all in episode 9.
Bye-bye. The love isn't fooling anyone.
Tennis Ball, out of everyone here, you've received the most votes at 25. So these are your current scores. Snowball, Bubble, Rocky, and Tennis Ball. You are the bottom third. So the voting will only be between the 4 of you. Voters, it is your time to cast your ballots. The person with the most votes will be eliminated.
Fiery?
Yeah?
I suggest you don't go around setting people you don't know on fire.